Next question. Is your bid an estimate or fixed price? So basically the question is the estimate set in stone, right? Or is it gonna change? And it really depends on the project, but I try my absolute best to make sure that the estimate is all inclusive, and that means that hopefully the material cost is already factored in. I talked last time when I talked about pricing, you can go back and check out that video, but when I talked about pricing, usually I put in an average price per square foot for tile materials, or I'll put in an average cost for a shower diverter kit. So when you look at the estimate, it's supposed to be an all-inclusive estimate. So the only time that the estimate really should change is if the cost of material goes up, or if you guys choose something, say, you know, I bid the tile at $4 a square foot and you choose something that's $6 a square foot, obviously you're going to pay the difference on that. But vice versa, if it's $2 a square foot, then I'm going to discount the estimate, right? So no, it's not always set in stone. However, I do try to get it as close as possible so that you don't get to the end of the project and have, you know, a multi-$1,000 surprise that you weren't accounting for. So we stay pretty busy, so I got plenty of other projects coming at you, and that's Project Junkies, baby. That's how we do it. So do me a favor, like, subscribe if that's something that you're into, and we will catch you in the next one.